In this video, I'm going to show you how to get all the free advertising you could ever want. You can start this today and your business will be in a completely different place 30 days from now. I'm going to show you how to send postcards out and get other people to pay for it. In fact, I started my own home improvement business. I was able to get 30 to 50,000 postcards a month for free for years using this exact strategy. I've been teaching people how to do this since 2011, and it just gets better every year. Why the mail? Isn't that old? It doesn't work anymore. Let me tell you something. The mail is probably the most expensive advertising channel there is, and for good reason. It's absurdly powerful. Postcards can pull in ROI that's so astronomically high, but the barrier is that it's expensive, leaving most of the small guys out. But that all changes today. You're not going to pay a dime for it. I'm going to walk you through the steps to get this successfully done, and I'm going to do it quick. Step one is to be greedy. Just think about the parts of town that you know your customers probably live in. Go to a website called EDDM.USPS.com. Scan around and pick the neighborhoods and click on it and see how many people there are. I would shoot for getting around 5,000 out at first. Next, pick the exact demographics out. Who are the exact people you know are your best customers? Are they a certain age range? Male, female, married? Do they have kids? Are they homeowners? Think of your best customer, the ones you want the most, and use a service like leadsplease.com to look these up free. I would shoot for 2,500 combined with 5,000 people in the neighborhoods that you want to target. That's a perfect thing to start with. So that's 5,000 every door direct mail and then 2,500 targeted pieces. If you're a marketer or your business is business to business, if you're selling to other businesses, then just do a search for businesses. Get exactly the type of businesses that would like whatever you're selling. Step two is partners. You're going to simply find 2 more local businesses that would want to reach that exact same audience. Let's say you're in home improvement, reach 2 non-competitors. This list of neighborhoods and this demographic list is going to be incredibly appealing to another home improvement owner. I would suggest finding, in most cases, home improvement, home services businesses, because no matter what your business is, likely those are the people you're going to want to target. There's a ton of them. Landscaping, lawn care, windows and siding, roofing. Then there's med spas, fitness, gyms. There are tons of businesses locally that you don't compete with that would love to join a card. You're going to do the hard work and you're going to put this all together and they're going to pay for it. And they're only going to have to spend around $2,500. That's all you need is 2 businesses that will spend $2,500, because it's going to cost around $4,000 to $4,200 or so, $4,500 to get this done. $2,200 is nothing. If you're thinking, oh, are there businesses that are really going to spend? Oh my God, you don't know what you're doing. There are so many businesses in your local area that are spending $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 a month in marketing. $2,000 to $2,500 is a drop in the bucket. You just have to go where the people are spending money. Look up roofers and you're going to see the people that are spending money on Google for paid advertising. You're going to see the billboards around town, the people that advertise on bus stops. Those are the people that are going to spend money, no problem. Hit these people up. Say, I run whatever business locally. I need to talk to the owner. Talk to the owner. Say, I'm sending out a postcard to this neighborhood, and I'm also sending it to 2,500 people locally that make over $150,000 a year that are single family homeowners. You're pitching it to them and all the things that they're going to want to hit too. We don't compete. I'd love for you to get on there and we all share the cost. So it looks like this. There are these big wide postcards like this and you just get 3 ads. That's it. 3 ads. You take the one and then they take the 2. Take both sides. You each get 2 sides. There are so many businesses that would have no problem spending a couple $1,000s to do this. Oh, also make them make their own ads. You're not in the business to make ads and you are not selling advertising space. This is about you. This is about being greedy. It's their responsibility. They can go get the ads. They will likely give you their own artwork. That is not your problem. Now here's how to do the mailing. Doing the mailing is easy, and I don't want to spend a lot of time on this because it's just going to make it more I don't want you worrying about how to format mailers or something. All you need is a cheap mailing source. That's it. I own printingforsupercheap.com. I would love to do this mailing for you. I think I have the best prices anywhere, but you can use anyone. You can use any print source you desire. You can use any mailing house you desire. You can do every door direct mail yourself. It's easy. I have a walkthrough guide. It's in the description below. I'll show you exactly how to do it. If you can get it cheap, if you can get 2,500 targeted postcards and 5,000 EDDM for around 4,000 to 4,500, you are good to go. That that puts you in this $2,200 to $2,500 per partner. That gets you so much business. Oh my God. Don't just shoot for that. You're going to want to spend some time and get other partners and do more cards, or get some that want to go even higher. And I would shoot for 30 to 50,000 mail pieces, no matter the business that you're in. I don't care if you have some stupid little boutique shop that sells trinkets. You will explode your business beyond your wildest imagination if you get 50,000 postcards out. Just repeat this process over and over and over. You're going to be spending so much time now on the marketing, which is where you should be. If you're someone who thinks this is too hard, so I could find a partner gig, it's too much work. Pack it up, get out of business. If you think that finding out your perfect demographics and seeing where your precise customers live, if that's too much work for you, and then finding other businesses that might want to partner up with you, get out of business. If you think your time is better spent mowing lawns or putting up a fence or running your dental practice and cleaning the crud off someone's teeth is more important than actually doing the stuff that's going to explode your business, you are working a job. You have that job mentality, not a business mentality. If you're a realtor too watching this, you can throw yourself on here and then put a bunch of local ads on there and have this paid for. Will this work for you? Do you have a small local business? Then yes. This will not work for if you're a consultant, national consultant, or e-commerce, or selling SaaS software. That's why when you listen to people like Gary Vaynerchuk and Alex Hormozy, they talk about direct mail is not really a smart thing, because they're talking to businesses that operate on a national level. Let me ask you a question. Would you rather have 50,000 TikTok views or 50,000 postcards out? If you don't understand how important 50,000 postcards could be to your business, you have a lot to learn. Watch my next video. If you have any questions, you hit me up anytime.